Hey guys, welcome back to StudyNest. So, you have heard doctors that they are wearing PPE kit. But what is the full form of PPE kit? Do you want to know? Do you want to know? Do you want to know? If you want to know, then make sure you watch until the end without skip. Let's jump on to the video without any more discussions. You know that trees control the air pollution. But in ancient times, people used to grow trees along the sides of the road so that they can control sound pollution. And this is actually true. Trees actually control sound pollution. So, trees are very beneficial. They control air pollution and sound pollution. I don't know what is wrong with the Americans' tax policy. They said that if I take my beard with me to America, then I have to pay tax. Why? Why should I pay tax? Now I think I'll have to take off this beard. So, never go to America with your beards. You have to pay tax. I've come to know that in Germany, if you're able to escape the jail, then you get a prize. The prize is that your punishment is cancelled. When our independence came, our India's independence, then the national animal was decided to be lion. But then in 1972, they decided that it should be tiger and not lion. So our first national animal was lion and not tiger. The part we all were waiting for it throughout this video. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Now the secret is going to be revealed. The full form of PPE kit. Doctors wear it. But what is its full form? Its full form is personal protective equipment. Remember that it will be helpful in your GK exam. So yeah guys, that was a good video. Please give a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share and subscribe and follow daily updates again with more facts. Until the next video. Goodbye.